Today we are going to be doing a few simple modifications to the Varla Eagle One to make it even a better scooter and riding experience overall. You're only going to need a few tools to do this, so let's get started. If you've only gotten your Varla Eagle One, you probably noticed already that the front mudguard and the rear mudguard is absolutely terrible and it can clack up and down, causing a lot of rattling. Easy solution for this: simply put one or two washers where the screws are, and that's pretty much the problem solved. It firms up the front mudguard, it also firms up the rear mudguard. This will probably only take you maximum 5 to 10 minutes. Just be careful because the screws are actually quite soft on this, so anybody can do it. Make sure you use the correct tools, keep your screwdriver straight, and you shouldn't strip anything at all. Next one will be the rugged clamp. A lot of people will say that you don't need a rugged clamp. I think you definitely do. This basically firms up the stem itself. They are known for their creaking and wobbling over time. So if you like to take your Eagle One off-road, this is definitely a must. I will also link the rugged clamp that I bought from AliExpress in the description. And I also done a full video installation on this rugged clamp on my very first Eagle One, so feel free to have a look at that. The only thing I would need to point out is make sure that you install the shim. The shim, which you will see now in a second, is basically there to also firm up the stem itself and make it nice and stiff, because the last thing you want is your handlebars snapping. And the rugged clamp is quite a big difference. It's thicker and it's also higher. So yeah, after you put that stem in there, simply pop down everything else, tighten it again with the bolt, and just for reference, the nut on the opposite side is a 13mm. Next up, well, rain. Pop this easy extension on the back and you won't have any splashback on the back of your clothes. Very simple to do. Again, AliExpress have them. Few small things. I got some chrome dust caps for the front and the rear wheel. I like the bling, so that's why I got them. And just a few simple things here. Get these cable protectors, put them on the front cables of your Eagle One because the swing arm has a tendency to snag them. That's it. Give this video a like. See you in the next one.